Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Gavin or Born Hype here, coming at you guys with another video. Today we got a Travis Scott Jordan unboxing. First thing we got here. These are the Travis Scott Jordan shorts. Let's see if I can crack this open. Okay. There we go. They say Cactus Jack, Air, Flight, Jumpman, 23. I think that's it. Oh, and Jordan, of course. But they're kind of fire. They're pretty soft, very soft on the inside. I got a large. Hopefully these fit me. But yeah, these are pretty sick. If these don't fit me, I'll probably just sell them. And then we got the big boy box here from Nike, of course. I'm excited about these. I wanted these real bad, and I got lucky and hit on sneakers on my phone. So we got the Travis Jordan 1s, size 10.5. Cool paper. These are so fire. You see the little Cactus Jack right there? These are so sick. They come with 4 sets of laces. A black in there, a cream, a red, a brown, green, I don't know what it really is, and then a pink. Oh, I haven't seen the pockets. Oh, the whole thing is Velcro. I didn't know that. This whole top piece is Velcro. Of course, you got the Cactus Jack on the tongue. Whoa. These are like really nice suede. And the leather's pretty good as well. Oh shoot. It's literally like a whole pocket. All the way around the top midsole. And it's like, I don't really know if you guys can see that, but it's like not velvet, but it's pretty sick on the inside. It doesn't say anything special on the insole, it just says Nike Air down there. But yeah, these are pretty sick. I'm definitely gonna do some cool pictures in these. I've seen a shit ton of fakes already, like a crazy amount of fakes. They're everywhere. But these are really nice. I'm mad excited to wear these. If you guys want to see some fit pics in these, make sure to go follow me on Instagram. The link will be down in the description, or just look up GAlibrio on Instagram or born.hype. Then you can find both my Instagrams down there. See if these can fit back in the box correctly. Alright, cool. Okay. So yeah, that's basically it for the unboxing, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, make sure you guys leave a like down below. Let me know how you guys feel about unboxing videos, as I usually do live cops, and the live cops are okay. I'm gonna start doing voiceovers and like talk over them and stuff, so it's a bit more interesting, because right now I can understand if it's kind of boring. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy, leave a like down below, subscribe if you're new. It's been Gavin or Born Hype, and I'm out. See ya.